So guys, this is the funniest thing I've seen in a long time. It just started raining and these guys were just like, yeah, you know what, let's just take it. They keep on sliding out, but yeah, see? Right on cue. They keep on sliding out, but everybody just got back in line. And nobody was up here. And they're like, yeah, you know, whatever. And it's just gonna be a little more slick when I just touch the wall. It's part of it. I'm here for it.
How do you feel about this, man?
Hey, hit something, please. Please hit something.
I might. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought that was it. It's a sketchy turn.
Oh, I'd be pissed.
It feels like I'm driving on snow.
You said the outside's real slippery, inside's
Yeah, the concrete's real grippy, and this outside shit's like ice. Making it real unpredictable. I don't know how to gauge it. I don't like it. Like this. Oh, it's the concrete that's ice. Okay, the asphalt's sticky, the concrete's ice.
Seemed like that outside lane you were slipping pretty good.
Yeah. Alright, so I gotta stay away from the concrete. I get it.
They told me what type of car was in, I had to get it.